walking in a winter wonderland.
Here comes Santa Claus.
Can you believe Elon Musk doing a TikTok dance? Well, this isn't deep fake or hours of editing. I made it in seconds. I just picked a dance video, uploaded a photo of Elon, and Arting.AI did the rest. Face swapped, expression synced, looks super real, right? You don't need any editing skills. It's all automatic. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's make your favorite celebrity dance like never before.
Step 1. Upload your photo.
Open Arting.AI. Find GIF face swap on the top. Choose a clear photo of the person you want to swap in. It can be you, a friend, or even a celebrity. Upload it directly into Arting.AI
Step 2.
and hit Generate. In seconds, Arting.AI will create a realistic face swap video, automatically matching the expressions and movements. That's it. No editing, no hassle. Just upload and click. And here's the best part. It's super fast. Your video is ready in just a few seconds. The quality is seriously impressive. Smooth face swaps, natural expressions, everything looks clean. Oh, and no watermark. You can use the video anywhere, no logo messing it up. Once you try it, you'll see how fun and easy it is.